The need to leverage and store increasing quantities of data forces organizations to create new strategies governing when, where, and how to store and archive that data in a compliant, cost-effective manner. With the cloud now accepted as a mainstream option for secure data storage solutions, enterprises must rethink how best to use the cloud to augment what was typically achieved only via on-prem solutions. ORock Technologies designed our cloud for maximum data security from the hardware up. ORock's hardware vendors all design and build their hardware with a secure chain of trust. Alongside our choice to use hardware that is secure at the root, ORock Technologies provides a private fiber backbone network bridging our data centers across the US. On top of that private network, ORock layered on open source block and 2 types of Ceph-based object storage, all of which is FIPS compliant and hardened to government-grade security standards. Then we layered on top of that the most current version of the OpenStack OS. Also FIPS compliant and hardened, this version offers all the same functionality and performance as you might get at a hyperscaler, but with an interoperability characteristic of open source platforms that breaks down silos and enables true multi-cloud ecosystems. OpenStack is your key to avoid vendor lock-in. For those organizations who need dedicated racks and hardware for their workloads, ORock accommodates with our bare metal offering. You come with the requirements, ORock helps you design the solution, and then ORock deploys it in our Type 2 SOC 2 data centers. We'll manage the hardware, ensuring that it is updated no later than every 3 years, so that your bare metal environment is always on the latest security upgrades. In addition to dedicated bare metal environments, ORock offers 3 types of containers, specializing in big data and analytics, as well as in the modernization of your CI/CD. For each of these container solutions, ORock manages the infrastructure so that you can focus on your organization's core competencies. And finally, ORock, in a development partnership with Intel and Lockheed Martin, has created ORock Strata. Strata provides security from boot to the app layer, and it also structures your servers so that they avoid noisy neighbors, mitigate latency issues, and ensure maximum throughput. But let's talk in greater depth about ORock's cloud storage solutions. The ORock storage model ensures instant accessibility to your data with simple, affordable pricing models and no additional charge for data ingress, transfers, or egress. This approach ensures that you can use your data however and whenever you need in order to gain valuable insight for better business and strategic decisions. The ORock storage solutions utilize an enterprise-grade, open-source, software-defined storage platform that is trusted by some of the world's largest research projects, like the CERN Lab, Immunity Bio, Human Brain Project, and Meerkat Radio Telescope. These critical initiatives rely on the same SDS to manage petabytes of data in a cost-effective, high-performance, and resilient manner. ORock uses a Ceph-based storage for our solutions. Ceph maximizes your data security and resiliency across multiple nodes, and ORock further protects your data with geo-redundancy. So, even if a copy of your data is taken out by user error or natural disaster, your data is safe and ready to use. For those who want high-performance storage for those compute workloads, we have our SSD-based premium block storage. We also offer an HDD-based hot block storage for those who may have flexibility in their performance requirements. For object storage, we offer the same options, an SSD-based object storage and the more cost-effective HDD-based object storage. And for those who need deep archiving capabilities because of regulatory compliance, for instance, ORock's archive storage solution is coming soon. No matter your storage needs, ORock offers you an option that is S3 compatible, fully resilient, and available in a cost-predictable manner. ORock Technologies. We simplify your cloud and AI experience.